Hey guys, it's Cassie, and today I thought I would do a quick video for you guys on how to paint a tree with oils. Oh, my brushes are sticking together here. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is use a fine kind of brush here, and I'm going to just dip my brush in a little bit of linseed oil and then in a brownish purple kind of color that I've already mixed. And I'm just painting this on mixed media paper because I have a lot of it and I want to use it up, and it's good for just demonstrating. But if you do this on a canvas, it should probably look a lot better than mine. So right now, oh, I guess there was oil paint on my hand, that's fine. Right now we are just working on the branches of the tree. To grab one of these brushes with just a big round kind of pom-pom end on it, and this is going to be kind of an easy way that you can paint a tree. Brown mixed with Viridian. You're kind of just building up from the darker parts of the tree, and then you kind of just layer lighter and lighter on top. Okay, so you can see our tree starting to take shape. Now I'm just going to, again, add a lighter layer on top of this darker. And you don't want to cover the whole thing. My bun keeps hitting my setup here, sorry. But just certain areas where the highlights of the tree are going to be. Okay, so now I just want to add maybe a little bit of darkness back into it. Kind of looks like a bit whimsical because my brush is so messed up, but hopefully yours looks so much cuter than mine. This does work if you take care of your brushes, unlike me. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this brush. It has a rounded end. A little bit bigger, and just use that to add some of the finishing details and highlights here. So I'm taking a, was that medium or? Yeah, medium yellow mixed with white and some of the yellow ochre, and I'm just going to dot some spots around. Okay, so Q-tips can be your best friend. So I just pull out the end a little bit like that. It's still connected, but it gives you more of a cotton pad to work with. And then I just like to use them to kind of dab in Again, this is mixed media paper, so there's not a lot of oil to work with here. Kind of gets soaked up right away. Okay. I'm going back in, getting some dark green, and just kind of doing the same thing that I just did with the yellow, but in any spots that I think are going to be darker. And a little tip closer to the bottom of the tree is where you're going to get those darker leaves, because obviously light doesn't shine this way, it shines this way. The tree's done, and I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a ground, I guess. I don't know where I was going with that. A little bit of some grass. Basically what I'm doing right now is just taking a whole bunch of different shades of green. Ugh, my button keeps hitting this, sorry guys. And so I have kind of a shadow there, and then the further out I get, the lighter the green is going to be, because the light is hitting that grass. Grass looking a little bit like this, a little bit impressionistic maybe. I feel like it looks good like that, so I'm gonna leave it. Alright, and there you have it. That's how to paint a tree. Super easy, super simple. So, this is the final product. If you guys liked, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you want. Tell me what I should paint next. And subscribe if you haven't. You can follow me on Instagram or any of my other platforms that will be listed below, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!